Okay.
Yeah, good evening. Sorry for the delay because I wasn't turning on the computer because we don't have the HDMI connector, but it's okay, so thank you. Good evening again, and thanks for coming to our presentations. My name is Adrian. I'm a Spanish graduate student here at the IIT, in the ITM master's degree. And I'm going to introduce with my teammates, which are Phanindra, Rajesh, and Pritesh. I'm going to introduce the WebRTC PSAP project that I want to do in the next semester. The idea is we are seeing in the other presentations, we have seen that have the indoor location project presented in the first one. We have the iBeacons module, we have the Android application, and then we have finally the last part, the last component of the whole project, which is the PSAP, the public safety answering point. So we are going to build this kind of software in order to receive the calls from the caller which who has an emergency. But the idea is actually we have nowadays we have a PSAP which you call to the 911 and you have to receive the call by someone. But the problem is that we have only the audio information from the people who call or the people who receive this information. So the idea for us is to improve this kind of PSAP in order to introduce several aspects like the video, live streaming video, which is very useful for the people that trying to help the people that it's in danger. The other idea is to use the indoor location project, which is more useful than the video because the people who tries to help the people that's in danger, it's useful to know where it is in the moment, inside the building, the floor, the room, exactly where it is. And the last one is to provide more useful tools for the administration PSAP in order to, for example, you can manage the different queues of the people that call and trying to help the people that's more in danger than the others. So we're going to start. I'm going to introduce the current status where we have with the software because there are software actually developed for other people in the project. So the idea nowadays we have an application that runs on a single machine on a local host, and we're simulating this single machine. We simulate the caller and the receiver from the PSAP application as we are going to see. Phanindra is going to introduce you in the demo. This software runs over the Node.js environment and in a web browser. So the idea is the simulation is based on the web browser-to-browser communication, and it's only. Oh, sorry, I'm gonna pass the. I think okay. Sorry, let's turn the slides. And the idea is the web server also runs on this machine, so everything is kind of simulated on a single machine, which is not interesting for us, but it's a good starting up for the project. So now we're going to introduce Phanindra, which is going to show you the demonstration of this kind of application in the local host.